I'm Ian Penrose, Head of UK Distribution for Oyster Funds, the fund family of the Seats Asset Management Group. For us, the format of the event works very well. The combination of roundtables and one-to-one speed dating allows us good contact and access to potential investors and allows us to really communicate our message to people in a period of time where they can listen and understand. In the event today, the quality of investors has been very high. They're definitely of a decision-making level within family offices and private wealth businesses, and absolutely they're the target market for our products in the UK.
I like the bespoke model because I know before I arrive here who I'm going to see and what I'm going to discuss, and I already have a bio on the fund managers or the investment managers and what funds they're going to be presenting on. So I know who I'm going to see and what I'm going to discuss. There are many events around many different conferences, but I think when I come to a bespoke event, I know what I'm going to be in for the day. I connect with the people and the companies that I want to see. I find the meetings exceptionally useful, and the quality of speakers and the general way which the day runs is very professional.
My name is Nick Rees. I'm the Managing Partner of Absolute Return Partners, and we run an investment advisory business and a fund management business. I would say today was a very good day. We met with a total of 21 investors, both in a group scenario and also in several one-on-one meetings. The feedback so far has been really quite positive. I think that we are hopeful for 5, 6, 7+ follow-up meetings, which I think is all that we could have hoped for from an initial day like this. The format it worked quite well. You have 25 minutes for the one-on-one session, so it's a bit like speed dating, just trying to get the key points across for our strategy and see if that is of interest to the family offices.
Bespoke Connections is a fantastic platform to get hold of new market information, to meet managers and to meet other family offices and exchange ideas. The quality of the managers we met today was very good, very informative, and I like the format of roundtables and to enter in active discussions.
I've been coming to the Bespoke Connections conferences now for 3 years, and I come each year for 2 reasons. First of all, there isn't one conference that I've not been to where I haven't met a kindred spirit who's been very helpful to us, either in the business or on the investment side. So that's the first reason. The second reason why I come to these conferences is because the quality of the investment management is always much better than some of the more traditional conferences that are taking place on the circuit at the moment. Another advantage of these conferences, or one of the high points, is that they're always held in good hotels where the service and the standard service is very high, where there's a good lunch and where there's good opportunity to network with peers. Also, if I might say so, I think the service from the team from Bespoke Connections is always very friendly, and the guests are always looked after very well.
Bespoke, to me, has outstanding quality is in the careful matching of, I call it, high quality financial speed dating. In other words, they're putting together professional fund managers with investors, but very focused, and that saves me a tremendous amount of time because I can then select and choose the people that interest me, and outside of that, benchmark with other family offices like our own for quality control, exchange and ideas. So it is, I find, very important. When I go to some of the other meetings, I find it somewhat of a cattle market, where they have many people not necessarily focused, some people looking for jobs, and finding other people of my own level with the same types of experience is extremely useful and time-saving.
For us, working with Bespoke, they provide a full service around the event. We meet with Bespoke ahead of the event, and that allows us to set out what we wish to talk about and the people that we intend to have on site, which gives the Bespoke team a better understanding of who they should be targeting for us to speak to. In the run-up to the event, Bespoke keep us well informed of who we expect to meet and give us very clear deadlines for deliverables ahead of the family office events. Based on the experience we've had so far in the 2 events we've done, I can certainly see us doing further work with Bespoke in the future.
assuming that the feedback is as we would expect, and we have some follow-up meetings, I think that we're likely to work with Bespoke again.
I'd love to go and come back and do many more of these events.
I really do recommend this firm and their conferences to other family offices, and also, if I might say so, to people who are looking to sell their product, because it's only by meeting sellers that we can know what's out there, particularly in terms of niche private equity type situations, which are particularly special to my family.
Time and money well spent, because it has accelerated our opportunity to meet the family office investment community.